Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Lovable AI to WordPress. First, go to your Lovable account. Then in here, go to your workspace and click on the one that you want to connect to WordPress. Now first, we need to publish the site. So go and click on the publish button at the top right corner and publish it again. Now that it's done, you can go to WordPress and log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to Pages. Then in here, you can go and add a page. Now for here, we need to use a code. So I have a code here that I'm just gonna add on the description box so you can just go and copy it. So go ahead and copy this code. After that, click on this plus sign button on your page. Then search or choose custom HTML. Then for here, just go ahead and paste in your code. Now, for the source, you need to replace it with your own Lovable AI link. So go back to your Lovable. Then, go ahead and copy your link. Once done, go back to WordPress. Then, replace your source link with your own. So just paste it in there. And once that's done, click on preview for this block. And there you have it. It will now show you your Lovable AI website. So just go ahead and save it on the top right. And now if you go and publish it or view it, you will see that your Lovable AI is now integrated to your WordPress. And that's just basically it. That's how you connect Lovable AI to WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.